Sonny, look at this. Look. Oh, look at this matting paper, Sonny. Sonny, look at that matting paper to tear apart. Wow. Okay, what do we have in here? Oh my gosh. Oh, Sonny, what do we have? Here, we got some paper for you to chew up. Huh? Look at this. It's really cool. Wow. There's a perfect toy for Sonny. Lots of different textures and materials, all natural. Sonny, we're going to put this in your cage. Okay? And this will go into Onni's cage. This could be either, but I'm going to put this in Onni's cage. And what do we have here? Everything's like so perfect. All right, it says Comets Collection, Bird Tricks, Birdie Bread. Oh, sweet potato. Sonny would go nuts over birdie bread. Onni's a bit pickier. What's this? Bubba's Blend, Bird Tricks, Birdie Bread Blend, Blueberry. Huh? Wow. What is this? Bird Tricks Enhancing Pellets. Oh, nice. This is their special food. What you doing? You curious? You curious? This box? You want to see this box? Okay. Let's look at this box. Okay. What's in there, Sonny? Let's see. Oh, wow. Something for me. Something for a grown-up. It's a bin. Boy, that is nice. And, oh, this is fun. Okay, so I imagine what these are used for is for target training. Target training, Sonny. Perfect. Oops, turn it around. Turn it around. Yep. Birds can get metal poisoning. They can't have zinc and a whole bunch of other metals. These are stainless steel to hang your toys on. Right, Sonny? Look, that little one for the little toy or little boy. Huh? These, and we have something to take notes on. You know what's different about that? Teeny tiny lines. I've never seen one like that. So you can write teeny tiny, so you can fit a lot of information in a small place. What? Sonny's playing the harmonica on my finger. Look. It doesn't hurt. He just... Okay. Need help. Here's some creative resources to help convert your bird over to a healthier diet. And I see it's got a doo-woppy. Take a picture of it. Brings you to a website. Yep. Where are you going, bub? Where are you going? Huh? You want one of these? What's this? Tiny toys. Look at this. You get a bag. Oh my gosh. 25% off for the tiny box. And then what's this? Oh my gosh, that looks like it's a big box for big birds. Buy any 5 toy bundle chunky or foraging. 25% off coupon. Oh my gosh, I'm still digging. Really? Okay, what are these? Different kinds of foods, I guess. I can't read it right now. It'll be too long of a video. What are you doing, Sonny? 25% off. Oh my gosh, this whole thing, guys, this whole thing's just full of coupons and pretty pictures. Wow. I'd go over this, all of this, but there's so much. This is a tiny toy for you. Huh? Is that your box? Oh my goodness, Sonny. You cashed in, you and Onni. Huh? You really did. He's really overwhelmed now. Are you really overwhelmed right now? Yeah? And I hear Onni in the background. And of course he'll get a lot of this. Now, target training for Onni. Okay, he's not food motivated at all. He doesn't even like food except for his own, and he just wants to do what he wants to do. But I'm always going to try, and here's the thing is, Sonny is trainable. So that might be a fun project for us to do to keep him enriched. Because he's a little old man and I'm sure he gets bored. Thank you, Bird Tricks. Thank you, Jamie and Dave. And their special little girl, Capri. They signed it. Oh, by the way, she's got like her own channel now for little kids. It's crazy amazing. This sounds like an ad for them. It's not, man. It's not. But I really appreciate this gift they sent me. I mean, that was very, very generous of them. Thank you.